Number 3 on the homework. I am so glad you asked about this because this will really show you when you're supposed to keep both answers and when you're not supposed to keep both answers. Let's work number 3. All right, we have angle 2 and we have angle 5. Those are alternate interior angles. And let's see. So if alternate interior angles are congruent, then P will be parallel to Q. We want P to be parallel to Q, so we're going to set those angles equal. X squared equals 2x plus 15. X squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. So we're going to do our factors. We're going to have x plus 3 and x minus 5. So x equals negative 3 and 5. I have said multiple times that when you have a quadratic, you get 2 solutions. Sometimes you keep both of them, and sometimes you only keep one of them. Here's how you decide what to do. You take what x equals and you plug it into the angles. If all the angles are positive, you keep it. If even one of the angles turns out to be negative, you throw that answer out. You don't even list it in the answer choices. So let's look at this negative 3. X is allowed to be negative. It's the angle that's not allowed to be negative. Let's plug it in. If I plug it in here, what's negative 3 squared? Positive 9. We're good. Let's check the other one. Let's plug it in here. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 15, measure of angle 5, is 9. They both equal positive 9, so we keep both answers. We keep both answers. Let's look at 4a. It says in the directions that these are parallelograms with opposite sides parallel. So we are given that the left is parallel to the right and the top is parallel to the bottom. We can start by doing alternate interior angles if we want. 35, 35, 52, 52. So we know 7x minus 11 equals 52 because they're alternate interior angles. That was weird. So that's how you can solve for x. You know that alternate interior angles are congruent if your lines are parallel. To find y, there's 2 ways to go about that. You could use your theorems, and you could say, oh, this one and this one are same side interior angles. So they're going to add up to 180. So you can find the sum of 52 and 35 and subtract it from 180. That's one way to look at it. Another way to look at it is you can find triangles. Triangles always, their angles always sum to 180. So once again, you do 35 plus 52 and you would subtract it from 180. Either way, that's going to get you your y. All right, let's take a look at 4c. I was only asked about y, so we're going to use our favorite same side interior angles postulate. This angle and this angle are same side interior angles. Do you see how we put that little arc? That means y wants the whole angle. You want to use the whole angle, not part of that angle because a ray has been drawn through it. So anyways, you're going to add these up, 53, and you're going to subtract it from 180. Oh, my 5s look like S's. Because same side interior angles are supplementary. So always be on the lookout for